All right, part B. Now we need to talk about whether or not we are going to use substitution or elimination method for this exact problem. So I see 8x minus 2y equals 8, which is in standard form. And I see 5x minus 4y equals 17, which is also in standard form. There are no variables by itself. X has an 8 in front of it, y has a negative 2 in front of it, and in the second equation, x has a 5 in front of it and negative 4 in front of the y. So none of the variables are isolated. So for this problem, I'm going to choose elimination. So I'm going to choose elimination method because no variables are isolated and both equations are in standard form. Okay, so let's take this first equation and drop it down here and see what we can do with it. And then we'll make the blue equation the second one. Okay, so let's see. Let's look at the smallest numbers, 2 and 4. Can I make 2 with multiplication be a 4? The answer should have been yes here. You can make 2 become a 4 if you multiply it by 2. However, both of these guys are negative and we need them to be opposites of each other. So let's multiply this entire equation by negative 2. Because if I multiply by negative 2, negative times a negative is a positive, which makes it the opposite of a negative 4. So that gives me negative 2 times 8x is negative 16x. And then negative 2 times negative 2y is positive 4y. And then negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16. And then let's just copy that that blue equation over. So 5x minus 4y equals 17. Now let's add these two together. And I get negative 16 plus 5 is negative 11x. And then positive 4y minus 4y is plus 0y equals 6 plus 7, 13, so 33. That 0y is going to go away. We're left with negative 11x equals 33. Divide both sides by negative 11, and we should get x equals 3. Oh, I almost forgot the negative. Sorry, x equals negative 3. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the first equation. Just because Missy likes to always use the first equation, you are more than welcome to use the second one if you'd like. And I'm going to plug negative 3 in for x. So I'm going to have 8 times negative 3. Let's keep my colors right. And then minus 2y equals negative 8. 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. Minus 2y equals negative 8. Opposite of a negative is adding, so we're going to add 24 on either side. And I get negative 2y equals 16. Let's divide both sides by negative 2. And I get y equals 8, negative 8. So that means my answer in an ordered pair is negative 3, comma, negative 8. Now, it is your turn, my friends, to do the try it. Tell me which method that you would use and why, and then solve it. And then if you've got time, do your full summary. And I'll see you in the next video.